What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming at you. Hey guys, we're going to continue working on the Ugly Betty project, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so as you guys remember from the last video, we actually went ahead and did some of the gel coating over on the bedside, and as you guys can see, everything is dried up very nicely, and it's looking really good. However, I also did mention the fact that we are basically almost out of materials. So we're going to get started today with the tailgate, start doing some body work on her if she has anything to be done. Quite frankly, I haven't even looked at it to make sure to see what it might need, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to check it out, see what we got going on so we can continue on some progress. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed my hat because it's a little bit chilly, and this one kind of tends to keep me a little bit warmer. As you guys can see, I went ahead and pulled the tailgate off of the truck, and yeah, she's got a few, you know, dings and dents and stuff like that. However, I might not be using this cover here, even though it's not too bad. I mean, it looks pretty nice, and I do like having, you know, the logo to make it look original or whatever. But I think we're gonna discard it for this purpose here, and yeah, let's get started with this thing. I'm excited.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright, co-rollers, so as you guys were able to see, we went ahead and took the tailgate apart. You know, we went ahead and got rid of the hinge. We got rid of that cover right up here. Got rid of that, as well as all the hinges and the locking mechanism and whatnot from the other side. Now we're going to go ahead and try to remove all these decals. A lot of people would use one of these eraser wheels, and they work great. However, it can be done with other things. You'll see me do it with a grinder. That's my preference. I'll be able to take those out, as well as these lines here. You guys may say, but Po Boy, that's a real thin line. Yes, you are correct. However, it does show through when you do the mold. Same thing if you're doing paint, it'll show through. So we're gonna hit it. We're gonna continue here. Let's go.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
so you were able to see that I went ahead and sanded down all the, well, grinded all the areas that were a little bit rough looking. I also went ahead and removed all the pinstriping, stickers, all that good stuff. And I went ahead and made sure I hit in depth the areas that need to be filled, so that way we have a nice smooth surface. So yeah, we got quite a bit done. I don't know if you could see it in the camera, but you could actually see my breath right now. Anyway, I don't know if you guys see it, but I had to turn on the heater. I've been so into this that I haven't even paid any attention to what's going on outside, but I'm about to take a small breather and see how it goes, and possibly begin a little bit more filling. Start filling this thing.
I'm a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Alright, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling fresh and good. As you guys were able to see, we went ahead and worked over on the tailgate today, and everything is looking pretty good. Little by little, we're getting up there. If you noticed, towards the end, I was actually filling in the area where the door, the tailgate handle is, you know, the one to open the tailgate itself, basically because we're going to be basically deleting that, and we're going to have basically a smooth surface. And I just said basically, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. However, I just wanted to let you guys know that we are still doing progress, even though it may seem like it was a real short video. It actually took some time, you know. It was a good few hours there, but it is getting kind of really cold outside, and had to get back inside, clean up, and you know, after 10 o'clock you can't really be noisy around this area here, so I don't want to be, you know, disturbing any of the neighbors. But as you guys know, I'm really happy that you guys are here. Thank you for visiting our channel. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. And like I always say, guys, I love you all, God bless you, and let the coal roll.